Oh my goodness.
Oh, I like that you left the sideburns right there. What is up with that?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, stretch it out.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna get it.
Does that tickle?
Tickle?
There's a little bit over here.
Oh my God, you're so bald.
It's gonna grow on so thick now. Look at all this hair.
This is awesome right
I
here.
know.
This
We're
little tuft.
we're leaving that there. I can't tell this. So he's got kind of a thick cock, right? Better be this side then.
Oh, I thought you said thick.
Oh.
I was like, what is...
How do you know this?
Please don't talk about
It is part black.
Yep.
Oh, my son.
Baby.
Wait. Oh, I'm sorry I did this to you. It's all mommy. It wasn't even daddy. Look at your head. It's just like daddy's. Oh my God, you look like a little cone head.
JJ should come over and get his mohawk.
Yes. Oh, you're
What
so...
I'm liking is this comb over up here.
I see it. I see it. I see it. It's awesome.